Dear friends around the globe, welcome to Meitai, where we specialize in the production of high-quality, customized aluminum materials and glass doors and windows. With our exceptional product quality and unique designs, we have earned a renowned reputation in the global aluminum industry and are deeply trusted by our customers. Meitai boasts a complete production line, providing one-stop services. Our aluminum materials and glass doors and windows are stylishly designed and of superior quality, meeting various customized needs. Our extensive product range is widely used in airports, hotels, conference rooms, and various other occasions, receiving overwhelming praise. We fully understand the uniqueness of each project, and our expert team will listen to your needs and provide personalized solutions. We strictly control the quality to ensure that our products meet the order requirements, giving you peace of mind. We offer flexible payment terms to make the procurement process more convenient. If you are looking for high quality and cost-effective aluminum materials or glass products, Meitai is your best choice. We look forward to collaborating with you to create a bright future together.